Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We're picking up right where we left off. Today the tow truck's gonna come pick up the car, so I'm just waiting for the guy to show up. He should be here anytime, so we're finally gonna get the Forester out of here and we can pull mine in and start putting some of those parts on the car. So yeah, let's get into it. Out of the garage now, so now I got this mess to clean up. So I'm gonna clean up the garage, make a little stash of parts here on the side or something. I'm gonna load this on the car because I'm gonna go trade that for the wheels that I said in the last video. And yeah, we just got a couple things laying around here and there. I mean, it's a mess, you know, fluids leaked everywhere and there's dirt and screws and bolts and all kinds of stuff all over the place. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning here. And yeah, so once it's all cleaned up, we'll pull in the other car and we'll start taking some stuff off of that one and putting some of the new stuff on there. Cool guys, so the garage is nice and clean now. As you guys can see, it's a lot better than it was. At least it's not dirty as it was anymore. Anyways, we're about to load these up in the car into the Forester. We're gonna go drop them off with the guy that I'm trading the wheels for. He's trading me some STI wheels. So I'm about to load those up and I'll bring you guys with so we can go and do that trade. Bring those wheels back here. And actually, here's some of the stuff that I'm throwing into my car. So there's the exhaust. And then the downpipe. I actually found this on the marketplace the other day. I'm gonna throw that airbag on my steering wheel. There's the tail lights. I got the hood in the backyard, as well as what else do I have back there? I think that's it. So I have the hood in the back. I mean, I still got like the fenders that I'm trying to sell. The seats are also in the back somewhere. So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna load these up in the car. We're gonna go pick up those wheels. guys, we got the wheels. We're gonna head back home and unload them in the garage and figure out what we're gonna do with them. So let's go home. Here we got the wheels. I think we got a pretty good deal for them. I mean, we traded a hatch, 4 door cards for a set of STI wheels, and they're all in pretty good condition except for one of them, which is this one here. As you guys can see, it's starting to peel, but the other 3 are in pretty good condition, which is cool. I'll show you guys the other 2. That one there, this one here. So anyways, I'm gonna take them out and figure out what I'm gonna do with them, because as of now my plan is to get them powder coated gold, and then I'm gonna take these ones off because I feel like they just look too modern, and I feel like these ones here fit the year a little better. So I'm gonna switch these ones on and get rid of the other ones. It's just gonna look so much better. Also, another thing that I'm doing right now is let's see, I actually have my rears out right now. So I pulled the stock ones out of that black car that we bought, and I actually took them to a guy, and he's gonna upholster them, and he's gonna put some blue suede just like this one here, so that we could actually put the stock seats back in here, and they'll just match with the front, and they'll still have like the folding ability, and they won't have that weird foam in the back. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna show you guys that once he gets them back to me. He told me it'd probably take him a couple weeks, maybe a little over a month, so we'll see. I'm gonna get started putting the tail lights onto this car. I think that's gonna be the first thing I do. I don't know if I ever mentioned too, but I actually found this wing on the marketplace. Well, not the wing, but like the entire hatch, and it came with the wing, and it was the same color as my car, which is nice. So we got the old one sitting over here. I mean, as you can see, this one was pretty messed up, you know. So now we got this nice one sitting here. The paint is so much better on this one. You can see here. Yeah, so car looks so much better with the wing. Anyways, we're gonna take off the stock tail lights, and we're gonna throw on the LED ones that we have sitting over there. There's that second tail light. Man, these little rubber pieces are stubborn in there. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab the other ones, and we're gonna throw them on there, connect them, and see how they look. All right, you could probably see the difference here, but this is the stock one. It's a basic, you know, just regular tail light. This one, it's got like LEDs. You could probably see them on there. Yeah, so we'll throw this on, we'll put both of them on, and then we'll turn on the car and see how it looks. We have the lights on. I just got to put the screws back in, and then we'll turn on the lights, do some brakes, and then do the turn signals and stuff, just so you guys can see. there you guys have that. Tail lights are on. I think I'm gonna do the steering wheel next, so we'll put on the steering wheel and we'll see how that looks. Cool. So for the airbag, you just take a T30 and then you just unscrew it, pull out the airbag. So we're gonna do that inside of the car. I'm just gonna unplug the battery real quick, and then we'll take off the original one and we'll throw this STI one on there. See. Cool, so I disconnected the battery. I waited a couple minutes. We're just gonna disconnect the ground from here. We're gonna push this up, pull it up, and then just take it off. And then we're gonna connect the STI one. So I got the airbag off. So now I'm gonna grab the other one, connect it up here, and then put it back in. So I got the STI airbag. We're just gonna connect everything and then screw the screws back in. Cool, I got that STI airbag on the steering wheel. I'm gonna leave this one on for now, the steering wheel, because I'm thinking about buying like a STI steering wheel and throwing it on here so it looks a little sportier. But yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty sick. You know, it matches with the seats now. Throwing a lot of good STI goodies in here, and I'm thinking about buying a cluster too, like a JDM cluster. It's got the little STI logo on there, and it's in kilometers, so it would look pretty cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the airbag on the steering wheel on the Forester. I'm gonna do the hood next, so we'll start taking the bolts off, and then I'll go grab it from the back, and we'll put the hood on and see how it looks. So let's move on to that. I already prepped the hood to take it off. I disconnected the windshield washer fluid lines, and the plastics are still here. The washer nozzles are still here. I'm gonna see if I could take them off so we could put them on the other hood. But if they break, I'm just gonna buy some new ones. But anyways, we just got to take off these 4 little bolts right here, and I'm going to take this hood off and bring the other one, and then we'll fit it on. I got the hood off. I'm going to go grab the carbon fiber one from the back and then bring it in here. We'll put the bolts on, tighten them up, close it up, and see how it looks. Got the carbon fiber hood right here. It's not the prettiest, but ain't nothing a little TLC can't fix. It's got some cracking, and I mean it's peeling in some areas, but other than that, it's in pretty good condition. I'm gonna mount it up here, get the bolts on, and then we'll tighten them up really carefully so we don't break anything. Got the hood on, so you can see here. Looks nice. We're gonna shut the hood real quick, see how it looks, see how the fitment is. It looks nice though. What do you guys think? So we gotta get the nozzles here so we could spray the washer fluid on the windshield, or else it's gonna look like this all the time. But anyways, let's close it up and see how it looks. The hood on the car, it looks pretty cool. I put the grill back on, so now the front end looks pretty complete. I'm still debating whether I want to keep that JDM bumper or if I'm gonna sell it, but I might test fit it, see how it looks. If I like it, maybe we'll keep it and we'll just get it painted when we spray the whole car. If not, I'm gonna look for something different. Anyways, I'm getting those wheels fixed up, so hopefully I have them back here in the next week or so and we could throw them onto the car. So I'm pretty excited about that. As far as the exhaust and the downpipe, I'm gonna try to get that done here in the next week also, and hopefully we have the wheels then. We'll put the new exhaust, have the downpipe, that way the car could have a whole new sound and a whole new look. But I'm gonna close the video out right here. I mean, I think we did some pretty good progress. We did the hood, steering wheel, and tail lights. I'm pretty stoked about how it looks. So thanks for watching this video. Keep liking, commenting, and maybe subscribing. And we'll see you in the next one.